Hello, welcome back to BJ. In the last video, we talked about business model and revenue model, and we said revenue model is a part of business model that deals with how a business makes money, basically. In today's video, we are going to talk more about business model, and don't forget that business model is a way that a business captures, delivers, and creates value to the customers. But when you are trying to build a new business model or trying to kind of refine or analyze the existing one, there's a particular framework, or should I say, a template that you can use to do this, and that is called Business Model Canvas. And one good thing about Business Model Canvas is that it helps you to have a deeper understanding of what you are doing and how you can do it better, especially if you've not started building the business and you just have an idea. You can bring it to you can use business model canvas to kind of have a deeper understanding of the idea and to know the key components of a business. For example, to know your customers, to know your key activities, and to know your cost structure and how you make money from the idea. So it's really a good way to have a clearer understanding and a clearer picture of what you want to build, right? So on your screen is business model canvas. You can see the template, and it has different components like key activities, key partners, value proposition, and customer relationship, customer segment, channels and key resources and cost structure, and then of course the revenue streams. So let's take a kind of popular company as a case study to kind of walk through this canvas, right? Let's take Netflix because I know many people, many people know about Netflix, right? So let's start with value proposition. So what is the proposition of Netflix? Well, we can say that they give you a kind of huge selection of content, and then you also pay less, so competitive, a kind of competitive price point. And of course you have video on demand, so you can just go there, watch many videos. So, and you don't have to buy all this disc and everything at home, right? So you can just stream it online, and you have like a huge selection of content. So that can be the value proposition. You may have a better value proposition for this. I'm just using this as a case study, and you may think that, okay, yeah, who are the customers, right? What is the customer segment? We can say it's like everybody, like a mass market, right? For teenagers, for adults, for everybody, for married people, for non-married people. So far you want to watch something, you want to be entertained, which everybody does, you are already in this segment, right? So we can also think of what is the customer relationship. Well, it's more like apart from the fact that, okay, you can complain maybe on Twitter, on their Twitter account, or you can meet them on social media. It's more like a self-service platform, right? So, like, it's not difficult to open an account and watch something. You don't really have much to complain about, right? Because you're not going to write to Netflix that I don't like that video, you should remove it. Well, you can do that, but I think one of the ways they relate to customers is just through emails or through social media. So yeah, maybe you can also find a better way that to talk about their customer relationship. I would say they send email to people to recommend some videos and stuff like this, and of course they also have a lot of things they share on social media. For example, if they just added a new movie or series or whatever, they show the uh, trailer or something on social media. So what is the channel, right? First, they have a website, and secondly, they have Apple Store. So, and also like they have the application mobile app, and then they also use affiliate partners. So these are the ways they reach their customers, right? And then we can also think of, okay, what is their key activities? Where they basically do application development, like they manage the software and the platform, and then they also license for the third party, right? And they also manage the content and also recommend content to people and stuff like this. So that's their key activities. So you can also think of what are the key resources, right? For example, they need right to stream, right? They need internet bandwidth, and of course they have recommendation. They need recommendation algorithm. They need to use machine learning and stuff like this to know what you prefer and things like that based on your activities on their platform, so that they can recommend the right thing. And they also have kind of library for content. So those are the resources they need to make the platform work, right? And their key partners are basically internet service providers. And then you can also think of third party studios. For example, I don't know if they shoot movies by themselves because I'm not really into movies. But if they do that, then they need to partner with some studio to shoot. And also they partner with, let's say, Hollywood and Nollywood, Bollywood, and also Korean people and many movie industry from different countries. So what is the cost? Well, maybe to produce content by themselves, they need to they need to spend money. Also for third party licenses, they need money, and also for streaming application, they need money, and they have so many other costs like they pay their staff, they manage the platform. I mean, some other costs they run the general business cost also. It's involved. It's included in their cost. But how do they make money? Where through subscription. To the best of my knowledge, you subscribe, and yeah, you have monthly subscription, right? Yeah. So I think that's how they make money. I don't know if there's another way they make money, but to the best of my knowledge, that is how they make money. So this is the business model of Netflix. And we just talked about the business model of Netflix. So for example, if you want to build your own startup or something, you can bring it here like that and say, okay, who are my key partners? What are my key activities? What are the value propositions? How do I relate with my customer? Who are the people in my customer base, right? Who am I targeting? And then how do I make money? And then you begin to ask yourself all these questions. And as you begin to ask yourself, you begin to have a deeper understanding of what you're working on and how to make it better and how to make it more sustainable. So that is the idea of business model canvas. I hope you got value from this video. Please don't forget to like the video. And of course, I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.